3 dark psychology tricks you need to know. Number 1. If someone insults you, don't react. Pause, look at them calmly, and ask, "Are you okay?" Or, "Did you have a bad day?" This destroys their confidence instantly. Number 2. People love the sound of their own name. Use their name in the middle of a sentence to grab their attention and make them trust you more easily. Number 3. When you think someone is lying, look at their eyes and say nothing. If they get angry, they are lying. If they act surprised, they're telling the truth.
The control hack. Never ask, "Do you want to do this?" Instead, give them 2 options that both benefit you. For example, do you want to start now or in 5 minutes? They will choose one, thinking they have free will, but you are the one in control. The truth stare. If you ask someone a question and they give you a short answer or lie, don't speak. Just look into their eyes and stay silent. The silence creates massive pressure. They will feel awkward and keep talking to fill the silence, often revealing the truth. How to get a yes. When you want someone to agree with you, nod your head slightly while asking the question. Humans have mirror neurons. They will subconsciously nod back at you, and their brain will trick them into agreeing with what you said.